Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Unique Bundle. Today I'm going to show you 3 computer tricks which will save you a lot of time. The first one is Alt plus Tab to open a specific program. Alt plus Tab and you can open whichever you want. I have 3 program open now, so if I want to open Excel, I just leave circle in Excel, it will open it up. The second one is Window plus up arrow in keyboard to maximize program. So window plus up arrow, it will maximize your program. The third one is Windows plus down arrow will minimize your program. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you very much.